Ready to streamline your sales quotes? Let's explore how to set up and use customized quote templates in HubSpot. So, in order to do that, you first need to head over to your home page on your HubSpot, and then from in there, locate the code. So typically, it's found under the sales, but if it's not, you can head over and click onto the search and search right here for quotes. So you should be able to find it under the apps. Click on Quotes right here. Then after that, this will redirect you right here into this page. As you can see, Quotes is only available in the Commerce Hub Professional, and we have the Service Hub Professional plan. So for this case, you can start a 14-day free trial with this particular tool. And for this case, you can actually head over and then create a new template or customize a template given by this one. You can see in here how it actually works. We have the payments, quotations, approvals, pricing, configurations, and likes. So for this case, you can head over and use it and customize it, update according to your liking. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.